Well, it is a scientific discovery for the ages. Gravitational waves, first predicted by Albert Einstein 100 years ago, have been detected and heard for the very first time. They're described by scientists as a ripple in the invisible fabric of the universe and could transform the way we look at the world and beyond. Pretty impressive stuff, and Nathan King's been looking at it all day long and marveling just like the rest of us.
Yeah, it's so exciting, not just for scientists and physicists, but for the rest of us as well. Long just a theory, now discovered. An actual new window on the universe.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have detected gravitational waves. We did it.
Causing big waves across the scientific community. The Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, or LIGO for short, actually detected the waves by using giant L-shaped lasers in the US states of Washington and Louisiana. They observed two black holes that collided 1.3 billion light-years away. They were massive black holes, more than 30 times the mass of our sun. But gravitational waves are actually tiny, 1/1000th of the width of a proton, the tiny particles found in the heart of an atom. But they could have a big impact on the way we study and understand the secrets of the universe.
That's a spectacular new result for astronomy. This is not just a technological accomplishment and it's not just confirming that Einstein was right. This is saying we now know something we didn't already know about astronomy. It's spectacular.
These waves are described by scientists as a ripple in the invisible fabric of the universe known as space-time. They're not made up of light, they're not made up of any matter, but are believed to be able to ripple through planets and galaxies without being altered. And they can be heard.
Did you hear the chirp? There's a rumbling noise, and then there's a chirp.
It's a bit like if you drop a stone in a pond that creates ripples. Well, imagine what would happen if two massive black holes collided. And that's what's being detected for the first time. It proves that Einstein's general theory of relativity was right. And that's important, because his theories have formed the basis of how we have understood space and time for the last 100 years. The other big thing is that these waves could help us discover much more about the force of gravity, the origins of the universe, and its expansion. Gravitational waves will also allow us to study black holes better, as they emit no light. The discovery complements other recent breakthroughs, such as research into dark matter and particles that can travel faster than the speed of light.
And now, while observing gravitational waves from two colliding black holes is pretty amazing stuff, scientists hope that they will soon make even more startling discoveries, even detect the waves that followed the creation of the universe, and perhaps discover secrets that even Einstein, Mike, couldn't have dreamed of. Quite an exciting story. It's not often we have our minds blown by the news, but this is quite incredible.
Right, and Einstein, what a guy. Oof, amazing. Thank you so much.